on there. So this little tab right here, just gonna press that in, and then it slides right out. And with your new one, so this portion here, you're gonna lift this up. I don't know if I could see. Oh yeah, there you go. So you just lift that up, and then you're gonna slide that in, just like that. And once you hear the click, it's secured on there.
So the reason I decided to make a video on this one was because they actually changed the hook style on it, and not all aftermarket windshield wipers work with the Mazda CX-5. We found that out. We bought some from Tractor Supply. They were pretty expensive. They're almost like 20 bucks a piece. They still did not have the proper equipment to attach to it. So instead of jumping around driving to different stores and stuff like that, we went to the Mazda dealership and just bought it directly from them. Now, if you do find windshield wipers that are aftermarket, I'm going to show you right here how to take off the factory clip, just in case if the one that you purchase aftermarket doesn't come with it. You just pry up on the tabs here on the sides, and it literally just pops right off. I'm not sure if you actually need this, but I just wanted to show it just in case. That's the part that actually clips to the windshield wiper arm.